ain't never seen your name before. My name's Sylvia.
Maybe it's truth, maybe it's lies. Maybe baby never met a player on the rise who take trips when he wanna and dress like fashion week is approaching. I guess I got you open.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Damn, I'm dropping everything. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, switch hands on them. All the above. Today I'm headed to Jersey for what? Hit the outlets, you know what I'm saying? I seen like Nike got like 30% off on footwear. See what the hell they got, but I'm just gonna go to the outlets, see what the hell I can pick up, yeah? I don't know, man. I don't even want to hold y'all, man. Just follow me, because I gotta, it ain't too much of a trip, but we gotta start driving. Let's see what I see in a second.
Lamborghini dreaming, hustle rock out the bodega. My neighbors say I'm living fast, don't think I'ma make it. I see my business, bitch, I'm rocking Dallas on location. Got this bitch popping like I'm making bacon. I'm just a paper chaser, I never been no hater. My life is like a movie, ho, just call me Kevin Bacon. Don't need no reservations, you know my occupation. Back row think it's the Bible, I'm talking revelation. The home invaders follow, wanna know your home location. So keep a mag 11 on you for the aggravation. You know my reputation, you want decapitation. Your body over there, you hit inside my mama basement. The coupe is so amazing.
So we out here in Jersey, obviously. I ain't ate all day, but anyway, I'm down here mostly to try to get shorts and stuff for the summer. I might try to look for some kicks, but you know my luck, I don't know about nothing. I might go to Adidas too, I don't know, but I won't be going to True Religion. No. Matter of fact, I might go in there, they got 70% off. Nah, just that. This time I'm damn sure going to the Guess outlet though. I think, or the Guess store, I'm damn sure going there, I'm checking them out too. But anyway, man, let's see what they got up in Follow.
How we looking?
You be talking
How
to
we
me, motherfucker.
looking?
I'm looking, bitch. Those your
Young sons don't talk about without you not to say. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cooking? I just cooked it. How we looking? Dumb chumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cooked it, where the cooking? I just cooked it. How we looking? Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy.
Nike sucked. That shit was whack, there was nothing in there. I saw like one pair of joggers that I was kinda eyeing, but nah. Damn it, came out here for nothing, but yo, I'm about to hit.
They go that Earl nigga again.
Last call Neiman Marcus, see what's up in there. Hopefully, I'm impressed. Yeah, I'll probably stick to Lehman with that. Hey, but anyway, no, I'm not going to Neiman Marcus. I'm going to Saks off 5th and then Century 21. Well, reverse.
Gucci this, Fendi that, Louis Vuitton hat. Look at my nice clothes, look at my nice clothes. Burberry church coat down to the floor. 300 sneakers, but need me some more.
They ask me how I'm so fly, I tell them some wild shit. I'm sponsored by Vinny's and Jacob, my stylist. Trying to convince myself, old school 850 NXX or the stealth.
Still don't see anything, but now I'm in the smell good section. Hopefully I can find some kind of good smell good for myself. What's your favorite cologne? Let me know. I got that Mont Blanc. I got the Jimmy Choo, but it don't last that long. You was looking for starter. Somebody told me that joint's popping, but first thing I smell is spice. I don't do spice. No. Pause. I'm kind of peeping this Versace Eros. I ain't gonna front.
You got any French shit?
Let me see what it smells like though.
I smell French.
Next up, Saks 5th. Well, Saks off Saks 5th, whatever. Fall up in here, see what they got. If I don't find anything, I'm still kind of on the fence about getting some cologne though. But hopefully I can find something up in here, cause it's been slim pickings. And they got True Religion. Nah, I ran to the True Religion. I love gray jeans with like smoke gray. I need another pair cause all my joints is True. I remember one time this chick had got me 7 jeans and I thought it was 7 for all mankind. Cheap. Nah, I don't follow her no more. All these joints are 30% off. Not really in the market for jeans right now, even though I am, because I want to start retiring some of my older joints, like Trues. I ain't never gonna get rid of them.
Yeah, you noticed.
These joints are nice right here. I actually got a great pair. There you go. A&G, matter of fact, that I rock to work, and they pass as dress pants. So. A&G pretty cool though. I remember even before Velez, my A&Gs would fit good, but you know, still need that little Extra, right. Alright, now we on the Marshalls. I ain't impressed with nothing out here. Damn, this is a wasted trip. Come on, Marshalls, don't let me down. Yeah. Can't never go wrong with Ralph Lauren. Yeah, I might get this, but it's kind of like forcery. Yes, I did come all the way down to Jersey to get an Ice Cube t-shirt for $7.99. Damn, why couldn't it be in black? The white tee's a white tee. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, I ain't even gonna hold you. $16? I don't even give a damn about the brand. Check this out. And it got them damn joints at the bottom where you can pull. If I had something to rock with it, I would definitely cop. Yeah, I like these tees. Don't know if I want to wait in this line though. Ooh. Sorry, I do not. No. That line was a little too crazy for me. I don't do all that. Bloomingdale's, have I been in here yet? It's all about the you. I've been in all actuality, it's all about the price. 17 bucks.
Put seatbelts, motherfucker.
Guest has always done right by me. Today, please, something.
Just when the thought I might have seen enough. Mama in the room screaming, beat me up. My brothers used to beat me up. Meet me up, chop with a hella pop. Nigga, you can climb. I'ma meet you in my helicopter. I would never stop till the day I die. Even then, they praise me as the great one. They rate me at an even 10.
You know, they're just like a robber. Last stop of the day, Target. They won't fail me.
You better be sure of your company.
Since Foot Locker all of a sudden swears that, or forgets that they used to sell white tees and don't sell them anymore, I'm here trying to get some white tees. Yes, I need boxers. Every 6 months, gotta swap them out. Or I don't like the fact that they have that opening right there. So everybody's going around touching them joints and you got that little mark, maybe, possibly, you know. You ever notice how the large white tees are always like the hardest to find? It'd be like extra large, medium, small. See what I mean? Small, extra large, extra large. Now I'm at a spot where I'm gonna have no trouble finding anything. Total Wine, Spirits, beer and more. But no beer today. No beer till Monday. So I'm about to fall up in here. And then after that, I'm gonna go, I'm going back to New York. I mean, y'all already know, man, I was a little disappointed with those outlets. I don't never really have any good experiences with these outlets, man. Them shits is crazy.
Pull your skirt down, B.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna fall up in here right quick. Shouldn't take that long. Follow me. Hurry up and go, guy, so I can get out. 19 Crimes. My homeboy put me onto this joint. Well, the other one. But my homegirl, she say, it's not, I shouldn't be drinking a 2017 wine, but $9 and 15% alcohol. So, in and out of there, just like a robbery. Follow me back to the Bronx, that is. I want to get something to eat, but I'm trying to get back. I'm mad close to the bridge, so I might as well just go on back to the BX. Hey, do me a favor. You like this vlog? Hit me off for 400 likes on this joint.
Get out of here.
This is not gonna be a wavy weekend or nothing. I'm not gonna go on this Sunday or anything. I'm gonna get back over here. Hopefully the traffic ain't crazy. Bruh, who's hitting me up? Roll with me, man. We about to head back to the Bronx, man. Follow me out.
Come on, young and flow up. Every beat you better show up. Better and remain humble, nigga. Even when you blow up. Like God watch. Your haters' faces gonna be something to see. You in that shiny black thing look like a PlayStation 3. Nigga, I ain't trying to stunt. Off white on an off night. You cap a heavy nigga, we can talk and get the cost right. Start off ballin'. 2 O's rob a parish. My hood treat me like a rock star, nigga. Lenny Kravitz. That's right. OG in top 10s. I don't need Balenciagas. When I'm hopping out that thing that look like I play for
Yo,
the
this is the first time I've ever been on these steps right here. I don't really dabble too much with the court system. You know what I'm saying? Praise to the Most High. Hell nah. Might joke around a lot, drink a little here and there, but nah, I ain't never. I know just when to chill. You know what I'm saying? Or I just never got caught. Nah, you be the judge. I had to flex over here and do my own foot right quick. Yeah, I know. Man, it's a beautiful day today. It started dropping a little chilly, but it's all good. So yeah, I know what time it is, man. I'm about to hit this Jamaican spot, Flavors International. Spot really holds it down when you hungry. Word. And depending on how many people up in here, I might just eat it there, because I don't feel like my shit being cold. Word.
When you go to Volcano, it's like a stage show. You have man that swing, DJ and blow. Pull it down the journey, swing.
Got that oxtail, got that okra, mac and cheese. Rice and peas. Yeah, they know. The meal right here is $16.95.
Damn, that's damn good, okay?
Since I'm going to the crib, ain't no sweat, cause you know what I'm saying, I ain't got to pay for the drink. Got unlimited at the crib.
That's right.
Y'all copping them fours? I want them, man. I wanted them early. Shout out to Fly Trucker, you know, and NES1. They tried to hold me down, but they didn't have my size in the spot. But now I know. So anyway, man, waiting on this 4 train. Y'all staying on for the ride. It's wild, cause look, you can see New York. Well, New York. You can see the city down there. Like New York is mad close. Like everything is close together. Like you can see LaGuardia from certain spots in the Bronx, but it's just like, how are you getting there? You know, you gotta go around, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed this joint. Gotta win on this train, y'all can catch the views and get y'all out of here. Oh, matter of fact, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be with that Snups. It's your boy Wavy, y'all, you know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. Oh, got a plate in my hand, you understand, right? See you when I see you.
Drugs and all niggas love is love. With the crew wall to wall, I be bugged the buzz. So beef war, it's way too deep to sleep. Niggas keep up, cause certified killers creep. Stole this lady, I drove her crazy. You ask me why, cause a man try to play me. So reload quickly and you better hit me while I'm letting this pretty chick get with me. Stepping with 007, better make it snappy. No time to do your hair, baby. Brothers is busting at me. Blunts and bottles pass, but none on target. They want the guard hit, but watch how log it. Lowest of dawn, man, it's pawn, so unharmed. I'm unarmed, no I'm calm. I can yawn, sing a song. I'm the Don, king of dons. King Kong can bring it on. Word is born.
Only in the Bronx, right? Take care.